Hi there, Nick Badminton here again, and it's an interesting day, January the 11th. Seems rather unremarkable. Well, I'm part of a community called Impact 11, and it's Impact 11 Day. I just received a package from them in the mail. Cupcakes. And why do we celebrate this? Well, it's a community of over 120 people that's trying to make the speaking business better, trying to decode how agents and agencies work, make events even better than they are before, and sort of supercharge the businesses of speaking that we all do. Now, I've got a longer history with this group. Back in 2019, I was sort of dragged along by my buddy Eric Tumuendi to Detroit to go to a session with the Three Ring Circus. It was run by Jordan Broad, and Connor was there, and Josh Linkner was there, and a number of other people as well. And some of those people really opened my minds to how we could be with speaking. And there was about 16 people in the room, so I met amazing people like Natalie Nixon and others there. And right at the cusp of the pandemic as well in 2020, when I went along for a second time. Then it was like late 2022, and I reached out to them again, and I saw this community popping up, and I said, hey, can I be a part of it? They said, come along, join the crew. It's a pay-to-play community, but you know what? In the last year, it's returned the investment that I've made in the people and the content and the sessions and the boot camps and the masterclasses that I visited throughout 2023. It's supercharged my business. I got to be honest, my business has more than doubled in 2023. This year is like strapping a rocket ship to my back. Better agency relationships, better content, better performance, and just a load of friends. Where I'd be a lone wolf before, sort of out there on planes and in airports alone, now I've got a friendly community that travels with me in my pocket and online. But at some of these conferences, I see my friends there, and it's fantastic. So check out Impact 11. It's a really vibrant community. I'll link that below here, and do check that out. It's good, and I am going to feed myself some cupcakes, and more importantly, I'm going to feed my partner and my 3.5-year-old some cupcakes as well. So I'm going to be in the good books for a day or two, and that kind of helps when I'm on the road so much. So a big love and big thank you to everyone at Impact 11, all of the founders, all of the people that make it happen behind the scenes, all the community members. You know who you are. I don't necessarily have to call out everyone. It's been a big year so far in 2024, and it's only the beginning of it. This year's on fire. Let's go.